Tony, Trang. I'm inspired by the story that you came to Vietnam. Really touching. Thank you so much that you were here. And you too. I know you're a coach and you came here for free. For the Vietnamese, for the country. And when I read and I heard about the story, I'm very touched for the purpose, touched for your mission, the mission that you came here for. So I was told by Khóa, who attended your training course, and she inspired me about you guys, and he too, So your lesson is so inspiring, so touching, so interesting and helpful. So we want to show our gratitude to you guys, to your organization, about your helping, your supporting the country here. So we want to do it more further and more lessons, more programs for them. Yeah, for them. And you for the society. It's just like CSR that we want to do it for the country here and also for our staff, for our people. And I have no word to say how grateful from us to you guys. And thank you so much. This is our honor.